Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share my easy everyday makeup look. I've gotten a few requests to share how I do my makeup every day. This entire look usually takes me under 10 minutes to do, so it's super easy. It's great for on the go, or if you don't have a lot of time and want to look put together, if you're heading to school or to work, or if you're a mom and just have a few minutes to get ready. This is definitely a tutorial for you. It's really easy. Anyone can do it, so you're gonna love it. So if you wanna see how I do my everyday makeup, just keep watching. So I just wash my face and pop my hair up into a bun to keep it out of the way. I always start with freshly cleansed skin and then put on a moisturizer. So right now I'm using this one by Tula. I've been using it for a few years. It's the Hydrating Day and Night Cream, and I really like this one. Next, I'm gonna go in with a primer, and this one is the YSL Blur Primer. I've been using this one for about like 4 months now, I think, and I love it. It is so silky smooth. It makes your foundation look incredible. I just started using this new foundation. It's the Dior Undercover 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I've been using the Dior Forever Original Foundation for a couple months. I've gone through, I guess it's been more than a couple months because I've gone through like 3 bottles of it and I really like it. But this one is more of a matte finish, and I think this one is like more buildable and will be a little bit better for the summer months because, let's be honest, the humidity in Florida will ruin your makeup. So I'm hoping this one will last a little bit longer. I'm just gonna apply a few drops to my beauty blender and then tap it all over my skin. So basically I just go over, do one light layer all over my entire face, and then I'll add a little bit more anywhere where I want a little extra coverage. Like I have some dark spots on my forehead and on my cheeks, just like some sunspots that I want to cover up a little bit more. So I'm just gonna add a few more drops and add it to those areas that need a little bit more coverage. I don't like my makeup to be too heavy, honestly. Like, this one gives a lot of coverage without feeling too heavy, which is why I am kind of obsessed with it. And I always make sure to run it down my neck just a little bit to make sure it's all perfectly blended. I'm wearing number 25 in the Dior foundation, which is a perfect match for my skin. Then I'm going to go in with some concealer. This one is the Laura Mercier Secret Concealer, and this one is number 3, and I'm just gonna apply that underneath my eyes with the Smashbox. This is the Precision Concealer Brush. So I'm just gonna swipe it underneath my eyes, then I'll go in and blend it with the Beauty Blender. I'm gonna go in and set my under eye with the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. I've actually stopped using setting powder all over my face. I felt like it was making my skin look too dry and cakey, so I pretty much only set my under eyes and then just like my smile lines so that it doesn't crease there. I recently started using this Bobbi Brown foundation stick. I'm actually using it as a contour. So this is the color Chestnut, and this is called the Skin Foundation Stick. So I just swipe it on and just use it as a contour, and I'm kind of loving it. So I just put it on both sides of my cheeks, on my forehead, a little on the sides of my chin, and then down my nose. Then I'm just going to blend that out with, this is just the airbrush foundation brush from IT Cosmetics. And I just do small circular motions, and I usually try to like push it kind of upward. When I get to my nose, I do use a smaller brush. This one is the IT Cosmetics Airbrush Concealer Brush. And again, I'm just kind of blending it out and kind of pushing it upward. I try not to pull it downward because I don't want the darkness to go down further on my face. I try and kind of push it upward, and then I'm going to highlight to make that contour pop even more. Once I have it all blended out, I'm going to go back in with my Beauty Blender and just kind of push up on the sides of my nose because I don't want that darkness to go down too far. Then I'm also going to drag that down the center of my nose because we want that to be a little bit more highlighted, and then the tip as well. Basically, it's like a 2-second nose job, which I'm all about it. Then I like to go in with that, this is the same brush I use, the Laura Mercier setting powder, and then I just kind of tap that over it just to kind of set that concealer stick, because this one is a foundation, so I feel like it stays a little bit damp feeling, so I like to set it with a light powder. Then I'm going to go in and add some bronzer all over. This is the Hourglass Luminance Bronze Light, and I absolutely love this one. It gives like a really nice glowy bronze look. So I do it on my forehead, on my cheeks, sides of nose, pretty much everywhere. It just gives me a really nice glow, and I am obsessed. I also use this as an eyeshadow, so I'm going to go in. This is the Sigma E25 blending brush, so I usually stick to like the pinky color, so I just swipe it on that, and then got yourself some eyeshadow. Next I'm going to pop on some blush. This one is the NARS Orgasm is the name. It's a really, really pretty pink, and mine is actually broken, and I just dug my nail into it, so that's cool. But it's a really, really pretty pink color. It's nice and shimmery, and it looks really pretty on. And this one is the IT Cosmetics Airbrush Soft Focus Brush, number 113. And I don't really know if this is a blush brush, but that's what I use it for, and it works, so I like it. I actually just got a sample of a new highlighter that I am obsessed with. I use the word obsessed way too much, but I can't even think of another word. It is so, so good. So it's the Cover FX Drops, and it's the color Sunlight. So normally it comes in like a little dropper, but I wanted to try it out before I got it, and I am definitely going to be purchasing this one. So right now I'm just using this little brush. This is an airbrush crease brush from IT Cosmetics. So I'm just kind of tapping it into the liquid, and then I just kind of tap off any excess on the lid, and then tapping on my cheeks, a little on my temples, down the center of my nose, and on the tip of my nose. And there's something about this highlighter, it goes on so, so smooth. Like when I use a powder highlighter, I feel like I can see where I put it on. It like almost adds a layer. This one just completely blends in with your foundation, blends in with your skin, and just looks glowy and dewy and amazing. So I'm in love. And then I also add a little bit to the Cupid's bow. Look at that glow. Then I'm just going to blend it out with the Beauty Blender. I've also seen a lot of girls adding the drops into their foundation and just kind of mixing it in. I don't have very much of it left, so once I purchase it, I'm going to start doing that because I absolutely love the glowy finish. I'm going to pop on some eyeshadow. I'm using the Warm Neutrals Volume 2 eyeshadow palette from Sigma, and I'm just going to go in with the color After Hours and just smudge a little bit under my lower lash line. So I'm just going to add a little bit right at my lashes just to darken it up just a little bit. And speaking of lashes, I actually got eyelash extensions a few weeks ago, and I am in love with them. I was kind of scared to get them. I've heard so many horror stories, so I was partially afraid that all of my eyelashes were going to fall out as soon as I got them, and then I was also kind of afraid that I would be totally addicted to them and not be able to live without them. So far, I'm totally addicted and don't think I can live without them. They just make you look so put together. I wake up and I have eyes, and it's incredible. So far, so good. I will go this week and get my first fill. Let me know if you guys want me to do an eyelash extension experience video and let you guys know how the process works, how I'm taking care of them and maintaining them, and what I think about the overall experience, let me know in the comments below and I will do a video if you guys want to see something like that. So I do apply mascara to my eyelashes. I really don't know if I'm supposed to or not. I've kind of heard you can do both. I've been using it every once in a while and it's totally fine. I'm using the Dior Show Blackout and I just pretty much put it on the tips just to darken them up just a little bit. Next, I'm going to fill in my brows, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, and I use the color medium brown. Such a difference. Then I'm going to pop on a little bit of gloss. This one is Chanel. It is a little bit of a splurge for a lip gloss, but it is so good. The formula feels amazing and it doesn't feel sticky at all. And this one is a shade 119. Then I'm going to top everything off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Then I'm just going to tap that into my skin with the Beauty Blender. So this is the final look. Like I said, this is my easy everyday makeup. I usually do this entire look start to finish in under 10 minutes. So it's great for on the go. I will link up all of the products I used, including the colors, the shades, everything. Brushes, I'll just link everything down below. So just click on the description box and click show more and you'll have all of the details there. I will also link up my top. I always get a lot of questions when I wear this one, so I'll be sure to put the details down below for you girls. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a video. If you have any special requests or want to see a special hair tutorial or have questions about makeup or anything like that, just leave it in the comments below and I will get back to all of you and create any videos you guys want to see, because that's what I'm here for. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.